Hi, this is Andy Doctor. If your house is dusty, or maybe one room is way more dusty than other ones, this video is for you. Here, I am going to show you what the problem is and how to fix it easily. It's something everybody can do, but it's something that almost everybody ignore. The secret hides inside the HVAC system, in particular, the return air grill and also the supply register, both of them, and you have to fix all of them. Anyone that touch drywall, you need to open it up and do what I am going to show you. If you do not know, the return air grill, this one is the one that the HVAC system suck air in, so the air go into it. They don't have door usually. The supply register is the one with door, so you can open and close or adjust how big the opening is. As you already see, I already partially unscrewed the screws to make it easier for taking the video. So let's open it up. Obviously, you just need a screwdriver. Okay, so both screws are loose. You can take them out if we want to. And now you just take this one out, and now you will see. Now this one doesn't look dirty at all, but here's the problem. You see the drywall and the intake device. There's a big gap here. It's not sealed. Technically, according to current code, they need to be sealed. So this problem is worse for older house, but honestly tell you, my house is only 20 years old and it looks like this. The problem is when air moving, those drywall dust will come out. And the problem is worse with the supply register, the one that air comes out. This one going in is not as bad, but you want to seal those ones. And the way to do it is you use HVAC aluminum tape. I will give you a link in description for you to buy it from Amazon, but you can buy it from somewhere else too. So let's do it, okay? Basically, we want to cover the drywall. So you want to tear a piece that fit the length, and we're going to separate out. They have glue on the other side, so they stick, okay, and they stick really tightly. You will see, by the way, when you do that. And you don't need to make it super beautiful because nobody will see it after you put the cover on. So just make sure you do it, and do it for every one of them. And you may have 50 of them if your house is big. Those ones that touch drywall, you definitely should do it. So drywall dust will not come out. Now, drywall dust is not poisonous, but they definitely make your room very dusty. So this is how to do it. As you can see, okay, and you just fold it, okay, and just make it flush and look nice. So we finish one side, simple as that, okay. And now let's do the other side, and then I will show you a picture at the end how it looks like. Okay, it's all sealed. It doesn't look super nice, but it is sealed, and it doesn't have to be nice because again nobody will see it. So now all you need to do is put the cover on, which is super easy. I'm sure everybody can do, and you are good. Okay, go for the next one. And in fact, there are probably a few dozen of them that you need to do in your house, and you will realize the dusty problem will go away pretty quickly. So I hope you like this video, and if you have any question, let me know in the comment section, and please like this video, or even better, subscribe to my channel. And again, if you need to buy the aluminum tape and you do not know how to get it, there is a link in the description to Amazon for you. So thank you very much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.